The Department of Environment is on a quest to learn more about one of Cayman's well-known birds, the frigatebird, also known as the man-o-war. Recently, the team at the Department of Environment, together with students from Liverpool University and Milan University, tagged 26 frigatebirds at the Booby Pond in Little Cayman, all in the name of science. Cayman 27 Seaford Russell Jr. explains.
The Department of Environment has set its sights on frigatebirds.
Seabirds are an example of an apex predator also.
Earlier this month, the DOE tagged 26 of those birds with live tracks to research where they travel. Those tracks last up to 9 months. DOE Terrestrial Research Officer Jane Haakonsson says it will be collecting key data.
What's important about understanding better their foraging behavior and their movements is that they're extremely good indicators of biodiversity hotspots as well as healthy oceans in general.
Several British overseas territories have partnered with Cayman in this effort to study and help protect the birds once they leave Little Cayman's Booby Pond.
Of this particular study is that we're collaborating with Anguilla and the BVI that also have colonies of magnificent frigatebirds. And once we understand better the interaction, if any, between the colonies, then we can start looking at the species in a more holistic perspective.
Ms. Haakonsson says the young frigatebirds are a priority in the study.
We are looking at juvenile dispersal as well as juvenile foraging behavior to see if there's any kind of connectivity between our population of frigatebirds, or any other in the region. And so it's just a matter of literally weeks before we have a better understanding of exactly how far the juveniles go.
She also adds recent research shows the adult man-o-war travels over 900 miles from Cayman.
We saw that failed breeders, so animals that no longer have a nest or a chick to attend to, travel much further, and one individual went as far as to New Orleans.
The DOE has a remaining 14 tags left, which they plan to place on frigatebirds in July. Seaford Russell, Cayman 27.
The research and tagging process is sponsored by the Darwin Initiative in the UK.